All right, here it is, Treasure Falls. A very impressive waterfall. You can see the rainbow. It's not too shabby. Stream down here. We're on a bridge. I'll be headed up there in just a short, my next video will be up there. That's called the mist deck. There's like, you probably get soaking wet up there. Pretty awesome. This is right off the highway. It's a quarter-mile hike. It's steep, but it's short, and it's definitely worth it, as you can see. All right, let's head up there. All right, here it is. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, it's hard to breathe! Oh, look at the rainbow! Oh, it's awesome! Woo! Holy cow! It's like hard to breathe! Oh! Alright! There it is! Treasure Falls, baby! Woohoo! Yes!